Okay, now coming on to the next topic is angles. How symbolically it is written, it is represented in the notes. Okay, but how you will define an angle? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. The two rays forming the angle are called the arms or sides of the angle. I will make it more clear with the help of figure 4.17. Okay, you can see an angle formed by rays, ray OP and ray OQ. Then the angle is formed with the help of these two rays. Okay, ray OP and ray OQ are called the arms or sides of the angle. Check it out in figure 4.17. Again I make you clear, when two rays, that is in figure 4.17, ray OP and ray OQ form an angle when they meet to a particular common point. Okay, this is what about the angle or the arms or sides of an angle. Coming on to the initial point, that is the common initial point. Here, if you have noticed, here our ray starts with O and it is endless to the P direction. Again a ray starts with O and an endless direction on the point Q. So O is common in both the rays, that is ray OP and OQ. So O is the common initial point, and common initial point is also called the vertex of the angle. Clear, children? Here O is the vertex, as you can see clearly in figure 4.17. And please do not forget, vertex is always written as the middle letter. Okay, now below 4.17 figure you can see a figure 4.19. I had shaded the angle with the help of a pencil, but obvious. Now, but why I had shaded that? That is the most important part you need to learn. The portion common to both shadings is called the interior of angle ABC. Now the question is here, why I had shaded in the interior part of the angle and not the exterior? That is what I want to show you, the difference between the interior of angle ABC. So figure 4.19 indicates that the portion that is shaded inside an angle is the interior of angle ABC. But please note here, the interior is not a restricted area. It extends indefinitely since the two sides extends indefinitely. Okay, now coming on to the last topic to be discussed before exercise 4.3. Children, please again find it out, the figure 4.20. Okay, in this diagram or in the figure 4.20, you can see I had mentioned some of the points in the angle, outside the angle and on the angle. That indicates what? That X is in the interior of the angle, Z is in the exterior of the angle, and S is on the angle PQR. So what is the conclusion of this? That angle also has three parts associated with it. Before I end, I want to clear more. X is inside an angle, so it is interior. Z is outside the angle, so that is exterior. And point S is written on angle, so it is on the angle PQR. Now please complete your exercise 4.3.